Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix your Peloton bike or treadmill that is not connecting to the internet. So first of all, what you need to do is you just have to simply go to the settings. So inside the settings, you just have to look for the option of Wi-Fi. So when you select the option of Wi-Fi, you just have to select the option of forget your network, then reconnect by selecting the Wi-Fi option again and carefully entering your password. So if your network uses the captive portal, such as those found in the hotels or apartment buildings, then Peloton won't be able to complete the login process. After doing so, you just have to go to the settings, then you need to go to the device preferences option. Inside the device preferences option, you need to look for the option of date and then time. Just make sure that the device is set to the automatic date and time. Sometimes the incorrect system clock can prevent the Peloton from connecting securely to its online services. Now, if your Wi-Fi connects but the classes won't load, you can just simply run the network test from the settings to check whether your connection speed. So Peloton recommends a stable broadband connection, and slow or unstable speed can interrupt the streaming workouts. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now connecting to the internet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.